Good morning, students. We are discussing ether reactions with hydrogen iodide. And hydrogen iodide reaction with ethers depend upon concentration and temperature. If it is cold and concentrated HI, that can form two compounds, that is alcohol and alkyl iodide. If excess of HI and on heating, excess of HI on heating with ether, they can give only alkyl iodide. I will discuss by taking different examples, which one reaction of ether with HI. Okay. So write four different formulas and see how HI can react with what ethers. CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CS3. First example, ethoxy ethane. Second, CH3, O, CH2, CS3. Symmetrical ether, unsymmetrical ether. Third, CS3, O, CS3. Unsymmetrical ether containing tertiary alkyl group. Tertiary alkyl group. And fourth example, benzene ring, O, CS3. So this is called anisole. Again unsymmetrical ether which contain aromatic ring. Correct? Aromatic ring. So these are different ethers and see how HI can react. But first we consider cold condition. There is a HI in a concentrated medium. Okay. Plus hydrogen iodide concentrated in cold condition. If it is cold condition and 1 mole of HI, 1 mole of HI react with ether, then first actually ether gets protonated from HI because it is acid, it can donate easily what hydrogen ion H plus. And electron pair donor, ether is electron pair donor or it is said to be what Levy's base. Then it can form a what oxonium ion with hydrogen ion of the HI. Next further that undergoes heterolysis to give what one molecule of alcohol and other molecule of what iodide, alkyl iodide. CS3, CH2, OH, CH3, CH2, OH plus CH3, CH2, I. So we get one molecule of alcohol and one molecule of alkyl iodide. Now see the mechanism. Only for this, right here mechanism. First, CS3, CH2, O, CH2, CS3 and H plus of HI and electron pair of ether, it can form a salt. Means it is means ether molecule is protonated. Now it is what oxonium salt. Oxonium ion is formed plus I minus. Next, O-C 2 carbon, O-C 2 carbon, both are equal. Hence, from any one end you can break the bond. Heterolysis occur and bond shift like this. Then we get a molecule of CS3, CH2OH. Alcohol is formed. Next, this is positive because if bond shift here, this become positive and it can react with or a nucleophile I minus. I minus is a strong nucleophile and it can attack easily on the what C plus, means carbon plus. Then we get CS3, CS2I, CS3, CS2I, ethyl iodide. Anyway, in all the reactions, first ether gets protonated from HI and afterwards it undergoes heterolysis to give one molecule of alcohol and one molecule of alkyl iodide. Next, second example. HI concentrated cold condition. Here important, one side methyl group, other side ethyl group. See which bond is weak bond? See OC bond of ethyl group, OC bond of methyl group. So answer is OC of methyl group is weak, because as the carbon chain increases, inductive effect also increases and OC bond becomes stronger. Hence, after formation of proton-knitted ether, yes, the bond can break. Bond can break this side, not this side. Therefore, if you write like this bond shift here, and this become positive. This one shift here, and we get CH3 CH2OH plus methyl iodide. HI, but I links here means here. Ether means ethyl methyl ether or methoxyethane. Methoxyethane is react with cold concentrated hydrogen iodide to form methyl iodide plus CH3 CH2OH. One more hint I will give you. I minus H plus, I minus get linked with a carbon having lower number, means less number of carbons in the alkyl group. Since they can undergo SN2 mechanism, it follows SN2 mechanism. If I minus links here, then it can form transition state. It also form transition state, but one of the group is bulky group and its stability very low. If bulky groups are absent, here all the three are H, small atoms, and they can form what? Transition state. Therefore, it can follow SN2 mechanism. Otherwise, remember, I minus get linked with a carbon having a less number. There is a alkyl group having less number of C. There, I atom gets linked. That is important point in HI reaction. Okay. And if it is moving towards less number of carbon, then it is said to be following about SN2 mechanism. Next, same type, HI. Now see here again same, H positive, I negative, and here positive, negative. But important, I minus, where it can attack? Yes, answer is tertiary butyl group, because when bond shift this side, tertiary carbocation is formed. Bond shift this side, methyl carbocation is formed. Then more stable carbocation is tertiary. This is one point. Next, suppose I minus links here, it can form transition state. But formation of transition state, formation of carbocation, yes, which one you have to favor? So answer is you have to favor with tertiary alkyl group. Means tertiary carbocations are more stable. That's why it can follow SN1 mechanism, because I minus get linked with tertiary carbocation part. Then H plus goes to CH3O. Therefore, it gives CH3OH and tertiary butyl iodide. Plus CH3OH. But don't write here OH and here I. No. Because of stability of carbocation, and that can undergo SN1 mechanism. If it is SN1, step 1 is the formation of carbocation, and step 2 attack of nucleophile. That is I minus goes to tertiary carbocation to give tertiary butyl iodide. Tertiary butyl iodide or 2-iodo-2-methyl propane. And see last example. There is a ether. It is called anisole. Ether, there is anisole. Anisole contain alkyl group and phenyl group, and this O link with sp2 carbon, sp3 carbon, and OCS3 weak bond, OC of benzene ring strong bond, because this undergoes resonance. Because of resonance, CO bond with benzene ring, yes, having a partial double bond character, and here no partial double bond character because there is no resonance. Hence, OC bond weaker than OC bond of benzene ring. OC bond of methyl group weaker than OC bond of benzene ring. Hence, what when HI reacted, important reaction, all are important. HI reaction with anisole, yes, H goes to O, I goes to CH3 because bond shift like this. When H adds here, then bond shift here and become phenol, and CH3I is formed. Phenol plus CH3I. So I'll repeat this one once again. Why you are getting only phenol? Why not other compound? In case of anisole, only phenol is obtained. Further, it is not converted into other compound. But in what ethers, aliphatic ethers, we can say if you take excess of HI, what happens? Here, if even you take excess of HI, you don't get other product. You get only phenol and alkyl iodide. Phenol and alkyl iodide. Okay, wait 1 minute. Phenol and alkyl iodide. Okay. But when it undergo SN1, SN2, remember here, if it is symmetrical ether, both side ethyl, ethyl, methyl, methyl, that can undergo SN2 mechanism. Methyl, ethyl also undergo SN2 mechanism. But secondary alkyl group, tertiary alkyl group, if there is a group that is a tertiary secondary in ether, then they can follow SN1 since there is a formation of stable carbocation. Next, in case of anisole or aromatic ether, I minus get linked with alkyl group, not with benzene ring, because CO bond is strong bond, that bond cannot undergo what? Breaking. So I will repeat with anisole. This is anisole. It undergo resonance. Yes. So because of resonance, CO bond which is linked with the benzene ring, it is having partial double bond character. Breaking up this one is difficult, but this undergoes easy breaking. That's why HI means I negative, H positive. I negative, H positive. Okay, but actually first O get protonated because of lone pair. O get protonated. Then see here, ring O CS3 HI, electron pair adds to H plus to give O H plus O CS3. Next, O attract bond because CO bond, weak bond, when compared with methyl and what? Benzene ring, methyl O, weak bond, and this undergo what? Heterolysis. Then I minus get linked with nucleophile attacks at methyl plus. Then finally we get phenol plus methyl iodide. Anyway, remember, alkoxybenzene react with hydrogen iodide to form phenol only, plus alkyl iodides, methyl, ethyl, propyl. That is very important. So this is important part. Remember this. So up to this I told, if 1 mole of HI is used, how to write equations? It may follow SN1 or SN2 mechanisms. But if 2 moles of HI means excess of HI, concentrated medium, on heating with ether, see what happens. CH3O or CH3 CH2O CH2CH3 plus HI concentrated and hot. Or you can write on heating, hot condition or delta heating, and it should be excess. What happened? Excess means more than 1 mole, 1 mole, 2 mole. Okay, but first 1 mole react with ether. Same method as in cold condition. First H plus adds to electron pair adds to H plus or H plus adds to O to give CH3 CH2O H CH2 CH3 and I minus. Next, this one, both are equal, yes, bond shift like this. Now we get CH3 CH2 OH plus CH3 CH2I. Same method I written as in cold condition. Now see here, one is alcohol, other is alkyl iodide. Using 1 mole, always we get 1 mole of alcohol and 1 mole of alkyl iodide. Next, alcohol property. Alcohol property to react with second mole of HI. Now it gives CH3 CH2O H plus, then I minus, this bond shift here to get, and I minus adds to CH2 plus gives now see here, alcohol lose H2O, and it becomes CH3 CH2 plus, attract nucleophile I minus to give ethyl iodide. Means what? Ethyl iodide. Means so you get Ri, only alkyl iodide is formed and there is no formation of alcohol if excess of HI is used. See here, 1 mole of HI, 1 mole of HI, 2 mole of HI used here. Therefore, in your reactions, maybe in theory paper or in competitive exams, if 2 mole of HI is used are given in the question paper and you write answer, alkyl iodide is formed and there is no formation of alcohol. Okay. Now same reaction I will show how to write answer. Direct, not like mechanisms, don't write. So if HI is given 2 mole, see what happens. 2 mole of HI. C2H5 O C2H5 ethoxyethane or diethyl ether react with 2 mole of HI concentrated on heating, means excess of HI. Next, C2H5O 2H react to form S2, means C2H5I 2H and 1O to give S2O. Therefore, 2 mole of C2H5I plus S2O. Iodoethane is formed or ethyl iodide is formed. If one side methyl, other side ethyl, then you write CH3I plus C2H5I. Tertiary butyl methyl, and there you write tertiary butyl iodide, methyl iodide. Yes, I covered both reactions, cold concentrated and concentrated and hot, or even excess of HI, what happened to the ether molecule. Okay. So last bit in the topic, there is a electrophilic substitution reactions of aromatic ether such as anisole. Okay, anisole, that we study. electrophilic substitution reactions of anisole or aromatic ether, Now consider anisole, benzene ring, OCS3, anisole, and for alkoxybenzene, right, direct, OR, alkoxybenzene. If R equal to CS3, anisole, correct? Methoxybenzene. R equal to CS5, phenetone, there is ethoxybenzene. Now general alkoxy, but OR group, like alcohol, like phenolic OH group, okay, OR group, it is said to be activating group. It activates the benzene ring by resonance. See how it can activate, and where which position contain more electron density, due to resonance we can study. OR group means alkoxy group in ethers is said to be activating group, and it activates the benzene ring at ortho and para position, due to resonance. See how it can activate. Again, structures are similar as in phenol topic. As I told about phenol, resonating structures of phenol, phenoxide ion, etc. Now same type we can write for anisole or alkoxybenzene. Then similarly, you can show delocalization of pi bond with negative charge. Yes, all these structures indicate that position, there is a second with respect to this one, second, or this side second, but 1-2 position is called ortho and para. Opposite is para. Ortho position, para position carry negative charge due to resonance. Therefore electrophile, see, electrophilic attack. Electrophiles are positive charge species or neutral species or electron deficient species. They can attack on negative charge center or electron rich species or electron rich centers. Hence it can attack at para position or ortho position. Yes. Now we get two compounds again. When anisole is nitrated, we get two products. One is ortho-nitroanisole and second para-nitroanisole. Okay. But reason is what? Why we are getting ortho and para? This answer, alkoxy group in ether, anisole or in ethers is said to be ortho-para director due to resonance and is called ring activator group. It is called ring activator group. So because of ring activation reason, yes, it is called more reactive. It is more easily nitrated or that undergo easy electrophilic substitution reaction than benzene or even other naphthalene, etc. But main because of OR group, it is said to be more reactive, okay, towards electrophilic substitution reaction. And we studied in previous topic, there is a phenol. Because of aromatic system, there is benzene ring. They can undergo nitration, sulfonation, halogenation and Friedel-Crafts reaction. All these reactions are similar to that phenol. Here also we get same ortho compound and para compound. But why you are getting ortho para? I repeated same thing. There is a like phenol. Okay. Now we will study one by one nitration, bromination and Friedel-Crafts reaction, etc. Okay. First one, nitration. See, in the nitration, first we take a molecule anisole. Anisole is taken and is made to react with concentrated nitric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid. This mixture liberates or release nitronium ion, and this can attack, and it is called reactive intermediate in what nitration is NO2 plus, and it is called electrophile. It is also said to be electrophile, and this electrophile attacks at ortho and para. This H replaced by NO2 means OH negative, NO2 positive, OH negative, S positive, S2O, OH negative, S positive, S2O. Therefore, actually it requires 2 moles of HNO3 to give 2 compounds ortho substituted and para substituted. Ortho and para substituted. First compound, ortho nitro anisole, or IUPAC name 2-nitro-methoxybenzene. IUPAC name of this compound is 2-nitro-methoxybenzene plus NO2 OCH3 4-nitro or para-nitro-anisole. 4-nitro-methoxybenzene is called para-nitro-anisole. But ortho-para common names, and 2,4 means if you use the number, then it is said to be what? IUPAC names. Number system IUPAC, and ortho-para common name. Now you come to know why you are getting ortho product and para product, because methoxy group in anisole is called ortho para director due to resonance, and is called a ring activator. It easily undergo nitration to give 2 compounds. But among the 2 major product, even this is also covered in 2 topics, halorines and phenol. The para product is always in higher yield, therefore it is called a major product. This one minor product. Major product and minor product. So para product always said to be major product because of symmetrical nature. If the molecule is symmetrical, stability is more. Hence, yield is also higher. Higher the stability, higher the yield. Higher the stability, higher the yield. Okay. Now, same type we can study in case of bromination, Friedel-Crafts reaction, and sulfonation. Okay, only you have to change the reagent. Okay, in nitration, remember, nitrating mixture is used, which is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid in the ratio of 1:1. Okay, and that produces electrophile NO2 plus, that is called nitronium ion. Next. In case of bromination, see what happened. Second, bromination. Usually in bromination, yes, we take bromine in carbon disulfide, or bromine in FeBr3, ferric bromide. But here we are not using ferric bromide, because even in the absence of ferric bromide, reaction occur. Means halogen carrier not required, since methoxy group, activating group, reactivity of anisole is more towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Hence, bromine in acetic acid, CH3COOH, acetic acid polar solvent, and bromine gets polarized, and Br plus links with benzene ring. Br minus combines with H plus of benzene ring to form HBr. Therefore, byproduct in the bromination is HBr. In nitration, water, but in bromination, HBr. But in place of NO2, there NO2, but here you write bromine atom. Therefore, we get 2 bromo anisole, or 2-bromo-methoxybenzene, 4-bromo-methoxybenzene, or ortho-bromo-anisole and para-bromo-anisole. Ortho-bromo-anisole, para-bromo-anisole, ortho-bromo-anisole, para-bromo-anisole. So all reactions important for theory. May get in 2 more questions. Give equation for the electrophilic substitution reaction of anisole in the case of bromine, or what happens when bromine in acetic acid react with anisole, and write equation. Like that also they can ask. Now here what we observe, Br plus goes on benzene ring, hence it is said to be electrophilic substitution reaction, but we are getting 2 products due to methoxy group. It is said to be ortho-para director. This is in bromination. Next, Friedel-Crafts reaction. Third, Friedel-Crafts. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Then Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay. Yes. In all the cases, the product formed is same, ortho and para compounds. That's why I am writing 2 compounds. Now, CH3COCl or CH3Cl in alkylation plus CH3Cl N-hydrous AlCl. N-hydrous aluminum chloride is a catalyst used in Friedel-Crafts reaction with the mechanism you studied in first year. Also, this one N-hydrous AlCl3, what is the function, and it can produce what? Cl minus go towards AlCl3 and giving CS3 plus. Methyl plus is the electrophile, it can attack on ortho and para, therefore. And it require 2 mole of anisole, 2 mole of methyl chloride to give. It is balancing not necessary. Main you write structure of the organic compounds. Next, name, nomenclature. Here importance given to methyl group, not OCH3. Hence numbering from this. Don't write 1, 2. Here 1, 2. Means in bromination, bromine gets number 2, bromine 2. And in nitration, NO2, 2, position 2. But here, methyl group, position 1. Methoxy, if you compare, yes, it is given higher preference on the what aromatic ring. Now, it is called 2-methoxytoluene. Toluene is the equation, or methyl benzene also we can write. Methyl benzene, 2-methoxytoluene. 4-methoxy, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-methoxytoluene. 2-methoxytoluene, 4-methoxytoluene. Yes, 2 compounds are formed. But this is what the reaction called Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Alkyl group attacks on the ring. And this also undergo Friedel-Crafts acylation. But alkylation, acylation difference. Here alkyl halide and there acyl halide. But acyl group, you know, CH3CO group. CH3CO group. Therefore, one more reaction, 4th, Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. N-hydrous CH3 same in Friedel-Crafts reaction. Right. Now it is made to react with CH3COCl acetyl chloride. Anisole react with acetyl chloride in presence of N-hydrous aluminum chloride catalyst to form. Yes. This is right name of the organic compound. Now important name. Now when CO plus this attacked on AlCl3 to form AlCl4 minus and become plus CH3 CO plus. Now it is called electrophile, means a selenium ion is formed. It is said to be a selenium ion. In Frederick's alkylation, methyl carbocation. But here a selenium ion as electrophile. Now it can attack on the ortho para position. Then we get C double bond O CH3, C double bond O CH3. Acetyl group attacks on the benzene ring. Next, keto group on benzene ring, methoxy group on benzene ring. Then preference given to keto, not ether. Therefore, again one given to CO group, COC. Next, 2-methoxy. This compound 2-methoxy and ring COCH3 name acetophenone. Acetophenone. 2-methoxy, acetophenone. And this one 4-methoxy. 4-methoxy. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-methoxy acetophenone. Yes, these are called Frederick's reactions, alkylation and acylation. Nitration, bromination and Frederick's reaction, there is a alkylation and acylation. Similarly, it can also undergo what? Sulfonation. It is not there in the syllabus, but anyway, that also undergoes sulfonation and it gives two compounds. 2-methoxybenzene sulfonic acid, because in sulfonation SO3H attack and this attacks on benzene ring OCH3 SO3H. Actually by sulfonation we get this compound, sulfonation. And name of this again, one is given to this position, 2-methoxybenzene sulfonic acid, and fourth position, if write SO3H here, then it is called 4-methoxybenzene sulfonic acid. Yes. So this completes the unit 11 alcohol phenol ether. We have taken about 16 classes or 16 videos we have prepared. And I think you follow all the videos and try to understand all the concepts whatever I explained, and refer notes or in even NCERT book, make it more clear, and give tests on alcohol phenol ether, and whatever there are extra points, and those points we can discuss in NEET or CET classes. Okay, thank you.